Hi everybody. You ever have that moment when something just falls into place? This is not that day. Yesterday we talked about 22,222 rounds of 22 on November 22. Well, it turns out after a verification process and a recount of sorts, we do not have 22,222 rounds of 22. As we sit right now, we are sitting on 23,000 rounds of 22, which has pushed our sale date to Monday, November 23rd. Now you may ask, who is counting all of these rounds of ammo? Hey Chris.
You're in my office.
Well, as it turns out, a recount was necessary. And we found more cartridges. We found more. So on November 23rd, we will have 23,000 rounds of 22 long rifle ammunition available for you. Enjoy.